If you're looking for tools to organize your work, notes, or projects, you may have heard of Notion and Coda. Both are powerful, but they serve slightly different purposes, and choosing the right one depends on what you want to achieve. Let's start with Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, documents, task management, and lightweight databases. Its block-based editor is incredibly flexible, letting you mix text, tables, images, and more in one page. Notion is perfect for building personal dashboards, team wikis, or content hubs. It's also beginner-friendly, easy to navigate, and excellent for collaboration, making it ideal for teams or anyone who wants a clean, organized workspace without too much technical setup. On the other hand, Coda is more like a mix between a document, a spreadsheet, and an app. Its tables are powerful, interactive, and can behave like mini apps. With Coda, you can add formulas, set up automations, link data across tables, and even create buttons that perform actions. This makes it perfect for building dashboards, internal tools, or interactive documents that go beyond simple note-taking. Coda is more technical than Notion, but its flexibility allows you to turn documents into powerful workflows that adapt to your needs. It's especially useful if you need advanced data management, formulas, and automation all in one place. So, which one should you pick? If you want a flexible, easy-to-use workspace for notes, tasks, and collaboration, Notion is the better choice. But if you're looking to build interactive, data-driven documents or internal tools, Coda gives you more power and control. Both apps are excellent, and the right one really depends on how you work and what kind of projects you want to manage. If this comparison helped you decide which tool fits your workflow, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips, comparisons, and tutorials.